Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So I just want to say today, guys, thank you so much for all the birthday greetings on Facebook, on Instagram, and here on YouTube. Thank you so much. I want to give a mention to, but let me just track back a bit. I got a really awesome birthday present, right? I don't know if you guys know, I have a Patreon account, and I got my first pledge. My first pledge, guys. I am so happy. I am thanking the person. I don't really want to leave her name right now. I haven't gotten permission to do so. So if she has given me permission, I'll leave her name at the bottom of the screen here. If you don't see anything, that means she hasn't given me permission. I wish you could understand. She just want to keep it anonymous. But I want to say thank you to her for being my first pledge, and I am so happy, guys. I'm so happy. You know, it really touched me, you know, and this is, as I said, is my first pledge, right? And yeah, so thank you again, my friend, for being my first pledge. It really touched my heart, and it made me so happy. It's just a beautiful birthday present, right? And if you guys are interested in supporting me, I'll leave a video about the whole thing if you don't know about it, and I'll also leave a link. In that video, you'll find a link to the Patreon account and stuff, and see how it's done. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, so today I'm really doing like the title of this video says, is a key lime pie. So let's get straight into it to see how it's done. I did it for my birthday, and it's really I just love it. I learned about it first when I came to the BVI, and I really love it from since then. As I said, it's a key lime pie. It's made like with lime, juice of a lime, and it's tangy as well as sweet. It's very nice, but of course you just have to eat a small bit at a time because of the tanginess and the sweetness at the same time. So give it a try and let me know what you think. So let's go to the list of ingredients and how this is done. Okay, so in my mixing bowl, I have here 1 can of 14-ounce condensed milk, and to this I'm going to add half a cup of key limes, freshly squeezed key limes. I got this in the grocery, surprisingly. But if you can't get this, they're very small limes, and yeah, I had to squeeze maybe about 24 of them to get at least half a cup of lime juice. But you could use regular limes if you can't get this in the grocery store. I have 3 egg yolks and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm just going to simply mix everything together. So let me complete this, and I'll be back when this is done. Okay, so here's my mixture. Everything, all the ingredients nicely mixed in. And I have at the side here a pie crust, right? It's a 19-inch pie crust. So what I'm going to do, I'm doing the easy way out, right? I'm going to transfer this mixture to my pie crust. My oven is set at 350 degrees. I'm going to put it in the oven after I've done that for about 15 minutes. Give us a final mix, and then I'll transfer this to my pie crust. So here it is. I'll be back after about 15 minutes in the oven. Okay, so here's the pie after being in the oven for 15 minutes. So I'll allow it to cool, maybe about an hour when it's fully cool, and then I'll put it in the fridge to fully set for maybe about 3-4 hours, as long as possible. So I'll be back by then. Okay guys, this is my key lime pie. I had it in the fridge overnight, and this is really good. I haven't had this for so long. It tastes really good. It's tangy, but it's not that tangy that it is not tolerable. It's really nice. Of course, remember you have the condensed milk to go with it, so the mixture of the flavors of the lime and the condensed milk really come together to give it this nice dessert, you know, nicely flavored. And of course, with the tanginess, it's very nice. I love this. I really like this. Let's give it a try, guys. Very easy to make. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay guys, thanks for watching and take care. Bye bye.